Welcome. Today I will tell you about how to fill the tax form in Adsense. Here are the main topics we will talk about in this video. Signing in. Going to the tax form selection section. Selection of residency and work type. Filling in the details. Cross-checking the details. The certification. Let's get started. This video will tell you all the steps of how you can easily fill tax form in Adsense in no time. It includes all how by signing into the registered account, filling in the details, and cross-checking them right there. You can easily get your task done. Number 1. Sign into your Google account. You must open Google on your computer or smartphone and log into the account which is linked with your Adsense account. To do so, simply fill in your email address and password. Make sure to type in the password correctly. Good job! Let's jump on to step 2. Number 2. Go to the tax form selection. After logging in, look for the Payments tab. Click on it and you'll get a long list of options. After that, all you need is to look for an option that says Manage Settings. Well, you need to slow down here as you'll find something like United States tax information. Yes, you're nearly there. Tap on it. Afterward, to complete the process, simply click on the icon saying Add Tax Info. That's it. The difficult part is over now. You know why? As this final click will lead you to the form. What's next? Simple. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your email and password once again. So get it done quickly. Number 3. Tabs and redirects. I know it sounds crazy. Let's do this in a lighthearted manner. So, as soon as the first tab displays, you'll need to pick a category. There are 2 alternatives here. Individual. This is for individual creators and innovators. Non-individual or entity. This is for businesses and teams. So if you're an independent creative like me who makes money from AdSense, choose the individual option. Following that, another page will appear confirming your residency. Again, there are 2 options to choose from. U.S. residents and non-U.S. residents. Simply choose the right category. The tax deduction is solely for the non-U.S. residents. Well, it indeed was bad news of 2021. Dude, we're in the same boat. Let's just hop to step 4. Number 4. Fill in the details. This step involves filling in the relevant details, such as your name, residence, country of origin, and tax identification number. The details vary for different regions and countries. Remember to do this slowly and carefully. Number 5. Don't forget to double-check everything. Once you've finished, go over the form again to ensure that all of the information is correct and error-free. Of course, you don't want to end up with a certificate that is riddled with errors. That would be a nightmare, trust me, so handle it with care. Once you're certain that everything is perfect, hold your breath and click on the Submit icon. Yup, you did it. Number 6. The certification. Yay! You're nearly there. Simply click the Submit button, and this will take you to the Certification Center to finish it up. Keep in mind that the creators must submit and update information every 3 years. By following the steps of form selection, filling, and submission, you can submit the form within minutes. Make sure to get your certification as it's the only way to save you from over 24% deduction that would occur otherwise. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification.